Contextual homepage backlinks, the best kind. These are the most powerful type of backlinks that you can get to your sites, and that applies especially if you have a high level of page rank at the individual homepage level. And by contextual, I just mean that the link, the anchor text link, the one that's been properly keyword researched, that anchor text link is embedded within the main text article or body of the page, and I'll show you an example of that in a moment. So the reason that we want them embedded actually within the text is that that's generally regarded as having the highest editorial weight, and that's a direct quote from Matt Cutts of the Google Web Spam team. And certainly in all of my testing and experiments that I've run, that definitely is true. And the contextual backlink definitely has way more power than blog comment type links or site-wide blog roll links or footer links. So let's have a look at an example of some contextual homepage backlinks. So this is just a PR0 test site of mine that I use for various purposes, jedfriend.com, and you can go and have a look at this after the video if you wish. If we scroll down the page on jedfriend.com, that isn't a photograph of me by the way, we're going to see a number of links embedded within the text. So for example, here you can see the link to backlinksforum.com. See how it's just molded in within the text. I have it in brackets there, but it's not a footer link, it isn't a blog roll link, it's embedded right there in the heart of the text. Those are the best kind of homepage backlinks to get, contextual ones. Here you can see I do just have a couple of outbound authority links, just adding a more normal and natural kind of look to the backlink profile here. And if we scroll down, I think we have just one more contextual link here. So I've just thrown that straight in at the end of a sentence there, but contextual all within the word of the page. So there's your contextual backlink examples. Now typically home pages are where the page rank is strongest because the most links tend to be built to home pages. There are exceptions to that, however, so just make sure when you're considering attempting to get links on a particular home page that that is the one where the page rank actually exists. Now the downside of contextual homepage backlinks is that they can be very expensive and time-consuming to get. But generally speaking, the heaviest players in the SEO space, and I mean those ranking for very, very tough terms in credit, banking, insurance, and so on, tend to have a lot of high-powered homepage backlinks. But Matt and I will be discussing various techniques and tactics for getting your own homepage backlinks throughout this course in a way that is far more cost-effective than some of those bigger SEO players.